Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to remove the email account from the Outlook on your Windows. So this process I am trying in my new Outlook app in my Windows 11. So just log in your Outlook account with your email, and here in the top right side corner you can get settings gear icon. Just click on it, go to accounts, and in the accounts here you can get your email address. If you want to manage this, just click on manage, and if you want to remove this, just click on remove. Just click on it. Okay, so from here you can easily able to remove that email account from your Outlook. Okay, so this is the easy and simple method. So that's for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.